Yin Homes is back with another property home tour, and this time we bring to you a single-story corner in Persiaran Abang Haji Openg that is prime for rebuild. Today we are on Persiaran Abang Haji Openg in Taman Tun Dr. Ismail, and we bring to you this corner single story that is 3,918 square feet. Let's go!
Nestled right next to the Bukit Kiara Park and walking distance to the beautiful Taman Rimba. It is an 8 minutes walk to the Jalan Datuk Sulaiman Tun Muhammad Fuad shops, 5 minutes walk to Masjid Al Taqwa, and 20 minutes to the TTDI MRT station, the closest you can get for TTDI landed homes to the MRT station.
Now your first objection would probably be the proximity to the school. The SKTTDI 2 school is located adjacent to the home.
The main traffic flow is from Jalan Abang Haji Openg. The house is located opposite Pintu B of the school, which is the auxiliary pickup point. We are here at 12:30 to 1:30 to observe the traffic flow. It is a steady and organized flow, and you still have accessibility to your home.
The school only runs for one session, so by 2 p.m. the traffic is cleared out, and you will find that it's very quiet, especially on the weekends. And your next concern would probably be the monkeys.
There is something that can't be avoided if you're close to nature. The upside to this home is the forest reserve and parks.
I wish I could translate on this video the crisp morning air that you get, or the lovely evening breeze from being right next to the jungle. The renovation potential of this home is endless, especially if you love nature. Let's explore the home now. The home sits on a freehold KL address non-Bumi land plot. The layout of the home is the original 3-bedroom and 2-bath. So, the built-up is small, but the land is big. I'm here at a car porch area where you could easily park 2 cars. But because the gate area is wide enough, you could open this up to include more cars. However, if you're entertaining and you have many guests coming, not to worry, there's ample parking for them just across the street.
The land plot is 50 feet in width and 80 feet in depth with a northwest facing.
You could put a partition here, just a brick layer wall or a trellises, just to separate the garden and the car porch. Something like this, so the inside of your house can look out to this. The patio area of the home is grilled up, very common of older houses. What I would do is wall it up so that you can create your very own welcome foyer. The master bedroom is at the front of the house, which takes up some space of your living. Very typical of TTDI single-story homes. But with this much land, I would just break this down to open up the space.
The original home structure is 20 feet wide, so you could really expand the space like what some TTDI single-story homeowners have done.
The original airwell area of the home can actually be turned into a study or a reading nook because you already have the garden space. What I would do is actually turn this area into an outdoor patio, breaking down this wall, putting foldable doors for added security.
And break down this wall to create an open concept kitchen.
You have the opportunity to build upwards, 2-story plus a sky roof deck overlooking the jungle. Most people would build their staircase here in the airwell to go upstairs, where you could do 3 rooms plus 3 baths and a small living den. This would be a very practical feature, making it easy for future resale. On the second floor, you can add one more staircase to go up to the sky roof,
where you could utilize the west facing of the house, while the other side of the home can be your entire sky deck for entertainment, meditation, or yoga deck.
Alright, let's talk numbers. Single-story corners are limited, hard to come by, an absolute rarity.
In 2024, there were only 4 corners sold. In 2023, there was only 1 unit sold that was renovated and ready for move-in. And for 2022, there was only 1 unit sold as well. The price sold for these units were...
This single-story home is asking for 2 million or 510 ringgit per square foot. You will find that this is perfectly priced for the homeowners who can envision the potential of this home. Loves nature, yet wants to be walking distance to some of the best amenities in TTDI. If you're interested to have a look at the place, give me a call or drop me a text. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to catch our next home tour video. I'm Yin Ping from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place.